so angry. I'm so fed up with cancer. I am so not just angry, I'm hurt. I'm so angry to see so many people dying too soon, so many families being broken apart, losing, their mothers, fathers, children. It angers me mostly because we're not having the right conversations. We're having conversations about the next chemo and radiation treatment, what may be better than the next, but we're not talking about the most potent thing that determines your body's ability to heal from cancer and to prevent cancer. And that's the food we put on our plate. Why aren't we talking about that? It's infuriating. We should be talking about the power of plant-based diets to prevent cancer in a lot of cases and to help heal. And when I was diagnosed with cancer, my gut instinct said, there's another way, that the surgeries and any other radioactive treatment just didn't seem to get to the root cause of the problem. And so I went on this quest to find that alternative approach that I was told didn't exist, but absolutely does exist. I met with every type of naturopathic doctor, holistic practitioner, traditional MDs to find the answer. And when I started searching, so much information about the power of our plate and what we put on it was there that it was obvious that I needed to change my diet. And then once I got the diet changed, I went a step further and said, there's something else that could be missing. And it was my mindset. It was the power of thinking, the mind-body connection, the power of meditation, the power of visualization, and all those things together healed my cancer naturally. And when I was healed, I was like, why does no one else know about this? Why isn't this being shouted from every mountaintop? Obviously people know because I found the information. I didn't make it up. I found it, but we're not talking about it. We're talking about everything else except the thing that you have the most control over, what you put in your body every day, and the mental state that you have when you get in a battle of having to heal cancer. And when I found it, I switched my career because I was like, people need to know this information. And so I have distilled that information that I got down into a course that is an alternative approach to healing cancer, because I wanted everybody to have access to this information and not to be starting from ground zero like I was and have to go through the frustration and the fear and the just finding my way and trying like 100 different supplements and different menu plans until I came up with the one that worked for me. So I took all of that information and knowledge from all the experts, all the books that I read, all the movies that I watched, all the people that I consulted with, and I have distilled it down into a course to give people a roadmap to this alternative way to treat cancer. I'm Dr. Ruby Lathan, and this is my life's mission, is to help people find that alternative way. And there's an alternative when your gut is screaming it to you like mine was. And so I invite you to take this course with me and let me walk you through it, because this is exactly what I would have liked when I was faced with the battle of my life. And fortunately, I found that alternative approach and I won. And I want you to win too.